Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can remove your digital creators tag from Facebook. So let me show you that my page over here also has this tag called digital creator. As you guys can see right beside my page, it says digital creator. So let's say I want to remove this and turn it into something else. Well, you guys are at the correct video because I will show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, just subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll show you guys. First thing, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in your Facebook menu, at the top you can click on your profile's name and it's going to bring you to your Facebook profile. Once you're over here at the top of your Facebook, you can see the little pen icon. You want to click on it. Once you're over here, it's going to take you to the place where you guys can edit your page or your profile. Once you're in this place, scroll all the way down until you see this option called details. And right beside details, you can see the edit button. Click on it. And as you guys can see, it says category and under page it says digital creator. Right beside digital creator, you can see the pen icon. You want to click on the pen icon. Once you're over here, you can choose whatever factor you want. Comedian, entrepreneur, fashionist, journalist. So let's say I want to go for something like food. Okay, nothing is related with food. So I will just go with athlete. I'll click on athlete and then I'm going to click on save at the bottom. Once I do that, it's going to ask me to save again. To confirm my save, I'm going to click on save and basically my page over here should change to athlete just like this. That's how we guys can remove digital creator from Facebook by changing it into something else. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.